now you're so manufacturer specific that it's really gone to a direction where if you don't have that specific training for the manufacturer, then it's getting to the point where you really don't have a whole lot of business touching that vehicle. So that was really one of the big things for the trajectory of DCR Systems is really trusting and believing that the OEs are the ones that are going to be guiding the repair today and in the future, and they're the ones that are best to know how they want them repaired so that the vehicle can respond the same way after an accident. And that's really the whole key to this thing. And no longer is it about how pretty that repair is, and obviously that's part of it, the fit and finish. But it's peeling back the onion and understanding, is this car actually reconstructed in a way that it's going to respond the same way after an unfortunate additional accident.